Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. I hope this video finds you in perfect health. Today we are making an authentic Ghana palmnutsoup made with fresh fish. So the fish I'm using today is catfish and salmon head. So I went ahead and washed my fish thoroughly with lemon and hot water. Washing it very well to reduce the fishy smell. I go ahead and rinse the catfish. I then boil some hot water, poured it over the fish. Don't worry, it's not going to cook the fish. It's part of the cleaning process. I add more lemon to the water, and at this point it's hot, so I used a wooden spoon to stir everything together. Added some cold water and then began thoroughly scraping the black yucky stuff on the fish off. I don't know about you, this is how I clean my catfish. I then go ahead and rinse it one more time. Oops, I think I missed one or two. After rinsing, I go ahead and add homemade spice and some salt. Use any spice of your choice. Mixed everything together. Cover and set it aside to marinate. I go ahead and take my palm fruit. This palm fruit was frozen, okay? So I poured hot water over it to thaw. I realized it was still hot, so I covered it for some few minutes to give it time to thaw. I go ahead and stir. I realized it was very hot. So I added some cold water to make it manageable. Be careful guys when you're doing this. So we're separating the fruit from the chaff. Okay, so after that I strain the palm fruit mixture just to make sure there are no particles in the mixture. I do that 2 or 3 times. I then put the mixture in a saucepan on the fire, add onions, tomatoes and peppers, bring it to a boil. Once my vegetables are a little bit soft, I put them in a blender. I also added some spices, cloves, anise, rosemary, garlic and ginger, and blend. Add the blended mixture to the soup. I then added okra. After boiling for some few minutes, I go ahead and add the spiced catfish. Stir. This is when you add the salmon head, fresh salmon head. And in a vision, I already see the outcome of the soup. I can see it. It's all coming together. Let it boil and then reduce your heat for it to simmer. Now you also want to check for salt. At this point I realized there was not enough salt, so I added some. Now when you're stirring, you have to be careful not to break the fish. Now the soup is coming together. Look at that. This is beautiful. It smells amazing too. Whilst the soup was simmering, my fufu was also cooking on the side, which I'm not going to show you. Now I added red onions just to enhance the flavor of my soup. I added pepper. Of course, I'm not going to break this. Okay, whoever wants it spicy can break it into their soup. But when you're cooking fresh fish, it needs to be spicy. I don't know if you agree with me, but your fresh fish soup needs to be spicy. Friends, our soup is ready. This is an authentic palm nut soup. Go ahead and serve and enjoy. I enjoyed mine with fufu. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.